Welcome to your complete guide to mastering mobile application management. In this video course, we're going to demystify how Microsoft Intune keeps your company data safe without invading your personal privacy. We'll start by showing you how to build a strategic defense plan and classify your apps. You'll learn the secrets of app protection policies, your digital code of conduct, and see how app configuration policies can automate the setup for thousands of users in seconds. We'll even introduce you to the bouncer at the door, conditional access, to ensure only the right people get in. Finally, we'll walk through real-world deployment and troubleshooting to ensure you never face a Monday morning nightmare. Stick around to the end to become the Intune expert your organization needs. Think of app protection policies as a digital code of conduct for your professional tools like Word and Outlook. Before moving a single pixel, strategic planning is essential to separate managed corporate apps from your unmanaged personal ones. Once these rules are in place, we can enforce key restrictions to keep data safe. We can prevent a save as to a personal Dropbox, block the copy-pasting of sensitive text into social media, and ensure all stored data is fully encrypted. Finally, we add a layer of access security, requiring a specific PIN or biometric check to open the app, ensuring company data stays protected regardless of the phone's overall settings. Think of conditional access as the digital bouncer standing at the door of your company's data. While app protection policies define the rules, conditional access evaluates the specific conditions of every login attempt before letting anyone in. It works using a simple if-then logic. For example, if you try to access email from a mobile phone, then the system checks to see if you are using an approved app, like Outlook, and if your security policies are active. One of its best features is implicit blocking, which automatically stops unauthorized tools, like a phone's default mail app, from accessing work files. This ensures your data only lives in secure apps where the company can actually protect it. While app protection policies focus on what a user can't do, app configuration policies focus on how an app works. These policies allow IT to preset functions so users don't have to handle manual setups themselves. Imagine a company with 5,000 employees. Instead of each person manually typing in server settings or VPN details, IT can push these configurations automatically to every device. This includes technical settings like Wi-Fi profiles, user interface elements like company logos, and specific app permissions for Bluetooth or camera access. It even controls browser behavior, ensuring that work links always open in a secure, managed environment. Moving from policy creation to real-world use is the final hurdle in securing your mobile environment. The deployment process involves assigning rules to specific groups. But remember, it isn't instant. It usually takes about 30 minutes for settings to reach a device, and the user must open the app for them to stick. To ensure a smooth rollout, always run through a quick troubleshooting checklist. Confirm the user has the correct Microsoft 365 license, ensure the app is MAM aware, and use the what-if tool to simulate the policy before going live. If you are transitioning from older systems, Group Policy Analytics acts as a bridge, scanning your old settings and showing you exactly how to recreate them in the modern cloud. This course covered the essential journey of mastering mobile application management through Microsoft Intune. We began by defining strategic goals and classifying apps into managed and unmanaged categories to protect organizational data. We then explored how to build core defenses using app protection policies to control data behavior and app configuration policies to automate the user experience. The bouncer at the door, conditional access, was implemented to evaluate login conditions using if-then logic. Finally, we reviewed the deployment process, troubleshooting essentials like licensing, and how to bridge the gap from old systems using Group Policy Analytics.